Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Rancilio espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue was tripping the breaker. So when I tested, I found that the boiler was empty. I tried to turn the machine and I noticed there is like two wires burnt in the top of the heating element, and that was like because the machine works on a dry boiler. So that cause usually most of times caused like burn the heating element, but fortunately in this case the heating element works fine. When I tested in the multimeter, it was like works okay and giving the right resistance. So when I finished testing, I found out that the water pump was dried also and needs to be priming, and that usually happen when you leave the machine for a long time or when you turn it on and the water pump start like trying to pump water while it's like the water tank is empty. Whatever the cause is, but it's like I just prime the water pump and start pumping again, and when I fill up the boiler, the machine will start working, and I test it over and over and it works perfect. So I just put the machine back together and I clean it up a little bit and it works fine. So let's go ahead and make espresso shot to it. This is perfect shot from the Sylvia with the crema, 3 layers of coffee. This is great shot. So let's test the steamer. It takes a bit until it gets ready. That works perfect. The machine functioning perfect actually. Thank you for watching.